Okay guys, so back here again with the second follow-up video of this center console thing. And I was looking over things and I was really hoping this would work, but obviously it's not going to. This thing, it's the whole, I can't even get it open. This is the bracket thing. Well, this doesn't work, so came up with the nifty idea and just did this. Here's the bottom plate, and then the little thing that comes to it. So I just went straight on the thing. Seems to be like it fits, so. But I'm gonna do that and then go ahead and finish this up. This is a pain in the ass. So, I think what I'll do is I'll put, I honestly don't know, but you guys can see. Hold on there. Let's try that. So, what I'm gonna try is, I'm gonna go ahead put a few more screws in here. So, I had a feeling this wouldn't work, but I tried anyway. So instead I just did this. So if you haven't watched my first video about this thing, go ahead and head over to my channel and check it out. But I strictly just went like this, guys. Yeah, I just right into it. It's sturdy. I'm just gonna put a few more screws in there, but that thing, this right here, no. And then what I do is I take the top plate and then I'll put it on, put it in screw holes. And then it seems to fit, so I'll just keep going with this. But so that's what I'm gonna do. And hopefully not put the screwdriver to my hand again. So I gotta be careful because first time I was trying to do this, I put the screwdriver to my whole hand. That was not pleasant. If this works, that'll be great. Oh, that's in there. Oh, yeah, that's in there. That ain't coming out anytime soon. So, and then in thought is it's supposed to slide. I've yet to clean out my car. It's supposed to slide in here like this. And then it sits in here. Hopefully this works. I'm really hoping it works. Go ahead and put the screws back in here. That really sucks. I wish this would have worked. I'm gonna try and think of different ideas, but hopefully this fits just right, but I really don't want to have to drill holes in my thing. I mean, it was cheap, so we'll see how it goes. That's in there. I just gotta get that in there. And then supposedly this. Well, it seems to slide in there.
Time to be scared.
Honestly, that is an actual perfect fit. And it swivels like this. It's actually a perfect fit, believe it or not. That isn't going anywhere. I think it works. And then there's these back here that you have to put in. So hopefully I'm putting them in right. And then they just go in here like this to stop this from coming right out. So I think I got lucky. I mean, it doesn't look too, sorry about the messy car, you guys. And I still obtained the ashtray. And it doesn't look too bad. The slide's really far back. It fits really snug. Which isn't a bad thing. But yeah, honestly, I don't see a problem with this at all. I have access to my thing still. I don't know, it's not too bad. Guess I didn't need this after all. So yeah, and then you take your drink, since I'm not using the ashtray, and then pop it in there, and then you can slide this forward more, like that. That's honestly not too bad. And then I still have room to shift. That's perfect, actually. And if I need my e-brake, I just push this back, and I have full access to my e-brake. So yeah, So if you do have a $1990 or a '92 Acura Integra, you can get this, but just know you cannot use this stupid thing. So, which is fine with me. I honestly, it worked out perfectly. So, it worked out great. And then I'll take my phone, just store it in there. And then that works. So, yeah, it's perfect. And all I have to do is reach around, grab my drink, and this, like I said, slides forward pretty damn far, actually. Excuse my language. And then all I have to do when I'm driving is reach around, grab my drink, and then put it back. But yeah, oh, that's way better. I'm sorry. But, and then for more room, this slides even more. And then this can turn, so you can have your arm sideways like this. So, yeah, not too bad. So yeah, that's the semi-installation of this thing. Like I said, it's not too bad. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it actually. It still has a bunch of room for my e-brake, and the seat can still slide. So yeah. So would I recommend this? Yes. It looks good. It's functional. But just remember, you cannot use this thing. So, it just won't work because it's too skinny back there. So, but yeah, you can go ahead and go on eBay. I will try to put the link down in the description for where I got this. And excuse me. Yeah, for 30 bucks, it's amusing and it works. So, but if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, LUDEDUDE out.